Thank you for coming and welcome to my little blue room. I'd like first of all to introduce you to the lovely Carla Mariani. Carla's hiding from the keyboard, and it's really an orchestra within the keyboard. And Carla and I have gone back a ways together. The last show we worked on together was with Doug Anderson, who was a vocal coach, director, teacher of the cabaret class here. And about a month after we did that show, Doug died suddenly. So we've gone through happy times and sad times. Doug really enjoyed Carla's presence because Carla loves to laugh, and he loved to make people laugh. So we all got along famously. Now, a funny thing happened when Carla and I were starting to plan this show. Much to my surprise, I got notice from my high school that my 35th reunion was happening precisely now, in fact. But I'd much rather be here with you, as you can imagine. The next song I'm going to sing is a little bit about loss, I guess, which makes it a little bit about Doug and other people who are lost. And I think sometimes when we think about our lost people and our loved ones, it seems to happen when we're traveling somewhere between here and there, wherever there might be. So this is a song called Southbound Train. I will take my seat.